In this video, we are going to show you how to create a custom form using the Elfsight Form Builder. Now, once you're in your account, you logged in, you want to hover your mouse here on the upper corner where you have these options here. So you want to hover your mouse on widgets, and then you want to look at forms over here. It says forms, right? And then click on custom form. Like so, you can create a widget of a custom form for free. So what is a custom form? It's going to be this, right? So we want to create a widget for free. There you go. And then you need to choose one template that you want. So you can just click on each template to see here what it looks like. So for example, we want to choose this one, extended form, right? And then all we need to do is click continue with this template so we can start editing it. So you can edit the fields. You can click on these and duplicate, edit, delete, whatever you want. And there are other options here: email, layout, appearance. This is where you can change the font, the colors, the background, so on and so forth. And then you can even have integrations like Google Sheets, Zapier, Make.com, MailChimp, webhooks, and more. And then all you need to do once you've done it once over, and you're satisfied with the form that you created, all you need to do is click on add to website for free and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.